In a dusty attic, two friends, Max and Leo, stumbled upon an ancient scroll. "I bet it's a treasure map," Max exclaimed. Leo, skeptical, unrolled it. "Beware the curse of eternal hiccups," he read aloud. Suddenly, Max hiccuped. "See?" Leo laughed. Max's hiccups echoed through the attic. "Maybe it's just a coincidence," Max said between hiccups. They tried everything: water, holding breath, even standing on their heads. Nothing worked. "Guess you're stuck with it," Leo chuckled. Just then, Max stopped. "Finally!" he sighed. But then Leo hiccuped. "Oh no," Leo groaned. "The curse is real."